6 a.m. Leaving home. You know, I love this feeling. Smell of the road in the morning. Color of the dust cloud behind my trail. The deep voice of the mighty beast I'm driving. All that weight and responsibility I got hanging behind me. This is what we are. What you are.
It's sunny side up on the shaky side. Easy over in Dago. Get yourself an omelet in Bay City. It's all scrambled in neon in Dice City. Huevos Rancheros in Los Angeles. Catch you on the flip-flop. You got a copy? Still on the road? I'm lost in the city of angels.
Still on the road? Man. Thousands of deliveries. Millions of tons. Every day, night, rain or shine. I tell you something. We must not stop. We must not slow down.